What up? In this video we are going to look on the specs of Xiaomi 4 Pro versus Xiaomi Scooter 4, and we are going to look which one is better regards the specs. So when we're going to look here on the max power, we can see the 4 Pro is 100 plus better than Scooter 4. Then you can have travel range, also 4 Pro dominating for max speed same. The incline climb is better for 4 Pro. Then braking system 4 Pro, you can just see that here, like goddamn rear dual pad disc brake, goddamn. 4 Pro, again, you can have self-sealing tires. Charging time, yes, 4 is better here because you have up to 5 hours. 4 Pro, but 4 Pro got larger capacity, so this is like the big difference, right? That you're gonna drive longer, but also the charging is going to be longer. Then the weight here is 4 Pro, max load 4 Pro, rider height, age, same. Then the frame material, I couldn't get it for 4, so maybe it's going to be better, who knows. Foldability tie, dashboard tie, speed modes tie, the battery tie. You can have energy recovery for 4 Pro, kinetic energy recovery system. That's probably better because I couldn't get it for the 4. Then you're gonna have the headlight and tail light. I couldn't get it for 4, so don't really know there if it's better or no. And that's pretty much it. IP rating is also for 4 better, IP54. But when we are going to look here on the primary differences, and what we can see here is that the 4 Pro is completely dominating 4, and if you can get it 4 Pro in the similar price as a 4, just go for it. Right, you're gonna have max power there, travel range better, the braking system is better, tires are better, charging time is worse, but you're gonna have better battery capacity. Weight is even lighter by 200 grams. Then maybe even the frame material is going to be better, I think. And speed modes and everything is same, but the IP rating is better for 4. That's a better water resistance, but still, I mean, like, there is no thinking here, to be honest. It really depends on the price, right? If someone is going to give you the 4 for free, I mean, like, give me. But if you're gonna have 4 Pro in a better price, why not choose that, right? So thank you and have a great day and goodbye.